but you have to prove that there were 30,000 victims. So how can you prove systematic killing of 30,000 victims if you do not have the names? So where is the system there of killing thousands? No. Sorry. Bobo yung abogado.
Natitrigger na siya unti-unti. Nakikita niyo yung, yung taray face niya ulit. Yan yung Sara Duterte na kilala ko. Oo, yung may ganyang mukha. Diyan ako sanay. Ang gusto kasi nilang sabihin, kung 30,000 yung claim, kailangan 1:1. To prove that there is a systematic and widespread attack on a civilian population. Doesn't necessarily mean na porke 30,000, 1:1 ang file ng kaso. Sinabi na nga ni Justice Carpio yan, hindi mo kailangan ipakita yung buong 30,000. Kailangan mo lang ng representative. Kasi kung lalagyan mo ng 30,000, baka daang-daang taon na hindi pa tapos yung kaso.